We discussed one thing very clearly yesterday, that 1914, as long as gold respects yesterday, we should not treat this as bearish, and this is a strong support. What has happened? Gold dropped till 1914 and showed a very smart recovery. And another thing, that beyond 1926 we are looking forward to first destination at 1932 and next at 1940. Gold has achieved 1939 levels so far. I hope you all must have profited. At the same time, for silver, very clearly we have stated that beyond 2440, the next destination is 2480. What has happened? Precisely 2480 is achieved and it is not yet reached. I hope you all profited there too. So now what to expect today? How you should profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate my effort, do like, do share, do comment as well. Your every comment is a great motivation. I do read. I may not be able to reply, but I do read every comment. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. It's a great support. With that, let's start. First gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that also. And yes, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Now first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now see, every move has a meaning. Higher lows here. And if you connect the dots, here, this is what it means. Higher lows. If you connect the dots here, higher highs. So this is a bullish channel, very clear. One point we should note that still there is a room for it to go upside. But now 1940 is a bigger hurdle for gold now, because 1940 is a great resistance. Previously it was a support. Now it is definitely going to be a stronger resistance, and hence only above 1940 we should buy. This is very clear. Now if you look at this, see, prices are divergent from the moving average. The moving averages are starting to diverge, which is a good sign for the bulls. You can see they're starting to climb upwards. Now, what it is trying to do on the hourly charts, it is consolidating here, not willing to break, just waiting for the moving average to come up. Then it will consolidate here and then possibly give a breakout later. So you should watch out more carefully here. On the downside, you can see 1934 levels, 1932. 30, very strong support. See, previously it was a resistance 30-32. Now it is going to be the support here. Let's observe more. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation. Consolidation going on here. Possibly a breakout is what you should wait out for. Right now you can see moving average has started to climb, so possibly now see suddenly after staying here in this zone, it has changed the slope here, which is a bullish sign. Trading in this bullish channel, the bottom of this channel now at 1920 levels here. Now see, previously which were the resistances are now going to be the support. 30-32 first support, 24-26 next, and then 18-20 the third support levels. Stochastic looking downwards, it was overbought. MACD willing to converge, it was trading with divergence earlier. RSI is overbought here. Most of the indicators have gone overbought, but remember when anything goes overbought, more buyers pitch in. This is another phenomena which you should remember. Now, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, higher lows are getting created. This candle trying to reverse. Wait for it to break out beyond 1940. But at the same time, one must note, now see, it has taken support from the 20 period. Now moving averages are starting to climb up. Possibly it can try to show retracement towards 1930 later. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD divergent, bullish. RSI is overbought here. Yes, it is getting overbought. Possibly we may see a little retracement. Now on the 4-hour, similar is the observation. Possibly, see, because the day is long, the session has just started a few hours back. Once it stays below 1934, we may see it hitting 30 levels should be seen again. If it stays below 1934, that should be the first target, and that's a very good support now. Below that, we may look at again 1924, 26. Now this is the stronger support for the day. We have to watch carefully. Earlier it was the strongest resistance yesterday. Now this is going to be the strongest support for the day. Any bearishness in gold is only if it stays below 1924 levels. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is overbought. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, what has happened? Consolidation here, higher lows, and then this bullish breakout. Now see, beautifully, you should note that gold is still in the long term is trading in this bearish channel. You can see this. See, first the top, then the bottom, then the top. Now, this time it has retraced from the middle of this channel itself and now has achieved or hit the top here. Now, this is precisely the top of the channel. I have discussed several times that it must try to hit 1940 as it is recovering from the median of the channel. Now, this is achieved and I will now wait for it to break past this zone. Also remember, see, the drop is sharp, the drop is gradual while the rise is vertical. This is sign of bullishness here. So this is very important as of now, and it looks forward to that. Yes, if it stays beyond 1940. Now also another thing to remember, it is still very much contained within the Bollinger Band. Hence, a breakout again has to be very strong for the width of the Bollinger Band to expand. I will definitely watch out how it behaves at around 1940 levels. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD, now see, MACD is divergent, it is bullish, but it has achieved a good enough divergence. At the same time, one must note that this crossover has happened at a bottom levels and we can see this rising. I have discussed this point several times in my previous analysis, my weekly analysis as well. RSI also rising. Looking at this for the day, you can sell at 1934. However, remember, we are just taking a retracement trade. First target should be at around 1930 levels, then 2426 and then 1820. Yes, if you see it staying below 1918 levels, if you see it staying below 1918 levels, consider that gold is reversing and possibly we may see it staying bearish for the near term. But let's observe more how it behaves. I do not see it breaking below 1918 possibly. And on the upside beyond 1940. Now beyond 1940, what to expect? Yes, you can buy at 1914, but 1946.5 first target and 1954 the next target. These are two stronger resistances. Any point of time gold is staying below 1965, it is going to sky high. We may see 1982 and then beyond the 2000 plus levels in the forthcoming sessions. We have to watch out more carefully at around these levels. 46.5, 54 good resistance, 65 is stronger, and then possibly 85, 82 levels. 82 levels I will say very strong resistance. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Remember, do not miss this opportunity. Learn the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you become a profitable trader by identifying profitable trades with ease. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start with silver. Now, silver on the early charts, 2480, great resistance. Price is divergent from the 20 period moving average, trying to converge. 2460, very good support. See, now 2440, this was the resistance earlier. And now 2480 levels. So only if it stays below 2440, that is the time when the bears will try to take over. Else what it is trying to do, it is trying to converge here, stabilize here, and then it can again shoot on the upside. Remember, 2480 is the level beyond which we may see silver hitting 2520 levels. That is the next milestone. 25 this is first support zone, resistance zone, then 2550 and then 26. Beyond 26, we are looking at the near term. I have said that and shared that in my weekly review as well, that we may look forward to $28 levels in the near future, but that is the distant dream. Right now, if you look forward to the day, you can see 2480 is a great resistance. Stochastic oversold. MACD is crossed over for a sell. RSI has also dropped a bit, coming to 2 hours. Now see what I am trying to say, what could happen. See what has happened here. Then it has come down here, price is stabilized here, then this bounce. Now possibly it can try to stabilize somewhere here at 2450, 2460 zone, and then again a possible rise can be expected later. So this is something you should watch out for. Stochastic has dropped vertically. MACD was divergent, trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought, it is cooled down a bit. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation here too. But see, here this rally has prolonged after the divergence. Here after the consolidation, this is the first candle, so possibly it may not try to stabilize, it may just try to retrace a little, at least as means you can say 2450 at best, and then possibly bounce back from there, cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI overbought. Coming to 4 hours, Similar observation, nothing different. Below 2460 we can expect 2450 40 levels, very good support. But look at 20 period moving average here. You can find out now 20 period moving average, it will wait for it to climb till towards 2440, prices to come down at 2440 and then bounce back. This is another expectation which one can have. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI is also near to overbought levels. Coming to the daily chart, you see on the daily chart the peak is seen here. Also remember one more point on silver. See, this is trading in this channel, lower highs are done. This time it is precisely reversed from higher lows, now trying to break out on the upside. Any point beyond, any move beyond 2480 should bring it back to 2520, 2550. In fact 26 cannot be denied here. See, it was trading in this expanding bearish triangle. Possibly beyond this we may see more bullishness here. Now another point on the daily charts is the consolidation which is seen and the break. This is the first bullish candle here. There is a possibility that second bullish candle can be seen. However, the moving averages have just crossed over and the prices are divergent from the moving average. It may try to move out of the Bollinger Bands, achieve at around 2520 and close with a slight pullback. There is a possibility for this to happen. Now the Bollinger Bands have started to diverge. That is also a good sign here. So wait for it to stay above 2480. Now see, as long as 2440 is respected, because what will happen if it breaks below 2440 is it will eliminate the more than half the size of the previous move. So which suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. But as long as I will say 2450 is respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is precisely the median, hence this is going to be a great support. If you are selling at 2460, you have to be cautious for 2450 as the first resistance, 2440 as the next resistance. Every 10 cents there is a resistance, you should be cautious of it. Thus possibly those who want to risk a little can sell at 2460. However, there is a rider that yes, there are strong supports till 2440 levels, and as long as 2440 is respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. Below 2440, the next strongest support is at now 2420 levels. We have to cautious of this zone, and if it breaks below 2420, you can expect a crash. I do not see that happening, but these are markets, anything and everything is possible. You should trade with caution. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 2480, riskier trade at 2460, safer trade at 2440 levels. So yes, you can sell at 2460, but this is riskier. Safer is below 2440, but then also, because see, a complete erase, I do not see it erasing the complete gains from yesterday, but these are markets, so you have to be watchful here. Even if it trades below 2440, we have to watch out for higher lows, which is at around 2420, 2430 levels. So be watchful there. Take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.